What's good, everybody? Today I want to present to you my first unboxing video. I just got a new package through the mail. It just came through right when I got off work. Right when I got here, it was right in front of my desk. What we got right here is a box. You are probably wondering, what is inside this box? Well, I'm about to show you, my friends. Oh shit. It's a box inside a box inside a box. Dude, I got floodlights. Yo, this is sick, bro. We're about to install these right now. I've been wanting to light up my room like a fucking club so badly. Alright. We got some bubble wrap. Let's take it out carefully. This is how it looks. 15 watt IP66. And I'm going to put this in a very good spot. Trust me. Got my second camera here. And we're going to switch to this one. Let's go. Alright, I think it would be great to place it right here on the corner of this wall. Maybe it'll help brighten up this side of the wall and then the other one on the opposite side. So we're gonna see how that goes. Whoa! We're just gonna put it against this wall right here. Yeah, that should do it. Damn it. You know what? I think I have to move my table, bro. I'm actually squeezed in pretty hard. Now we're gonna plug this in. It's on. Nice. By the way, this is how it looks like right now. I need to grab my phone and I need to make sure I connect the lights to my phone, so that's what we're gonna do next. So as you can see here, it says how to use the light, and step 1 says download Happy Lighting, and that's what I'm doing right now. Well, it looks like I figured it out. I have both lights connected to my Bluetooth. Look at this, okay? I'm just controlling this with my thumb. And look, there's different modes to it. And as you can see, this one's pulsating rainbow. We got pulsating red. And the rest is just the rest. I'm just for now going to be keeping the colors blue and red just on the sides here, and it just looks so amazing. I'm so happy I actually bought these floodlights. They look so great on my room, bro. Like, just look at it, bro. Look, just blue and red. Dude, I'm so happy, bro. This looks so dope. We are back to the webcam. This is how I'm going to be streaming. This is how it's going to look like on the face cam on all my streams for now on at night. Of course, some Apex Legends. If you want to illuminate your room more, just buy these lights. I swear to God, it is a very good price. For $38 you can buy 2 floodlights for your room, and just it looks amazing, bro. It looks amazing. I just wanted to say that because like I got them for $38 and the shipping was free, so make sure you cop them if you want. Subscribe to the channel if you want a actual stream setup video. I can do this for you guys if you want. Just make sure you subscribe. We need to hit 700 subs. We've been stuck on 670 for so long, man. It's insane. It doesn't matter. We're gonna keep grinding no matter what. Yeah, that's it. I'm out.